Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I got this in the post. It's a snow foam lens from Amazon, brand called Stone Banks. Let's see what's inside. So, the bottle is standard, very sturdy and solid. Good quality. Tube. Instructions. Some tape to go around the threading, I believe. The foaming itself. And a pin probably to clean the nozzle or something. This one should be compatible with the Nilfisk pressure washer core series, which has this adapter. So it came in assembled. It's very good. So here, by rotating the nozzle, you can change the stream of the foam, and here to increase or decrease the flow of the water. To assemble this, you need to pop the tube here, push it firmly in, and then attach it to the bottle. Just cannot screw it with one hand, but here we go. Now I've got the lens attached to the handle with a push and twist mechanism. Very easy, fits perfectly, no issues with that. So the next video we're gonna test it on the car and see how it foams. Thanks for watching.